Hi, this is Guy. Mosquitoes are a problem just about anywhere you go, but that doesn't mean you need to live with them though. Let me show you how you can get rid of them naturally without the use of any chemicals whatsoever. The first thing you need to know is that mosquitoes like water, specifically shallow water that does not move. That's because female mosquitoes lay their eggs in shallow, standing water. Therefore, if you want to get rid of your mosquitoes, then get rid of the standing water. If there is no standing water, then there is no breeding area. If there is no breeding area, then there can be no mosquitoes. It's pretty much just that simple. So, where will you find standing water? Naturally, if you have any standing water in your yard, you need to find a way to drain it. But that's not the only place where you're going to find standing water. You may find old planters that are not being used, old fountains that are no longer used, bird baths that are not maintained, swimming pools that are not maintained, buckets with water in them, and many other places where water is just laying around. These are all ideal breeding areas for mosquitoes. Also, don't forget gutters that are not pitched to allow the water to escape. If you have water just sitting in your gutters, then that's going to be a breeding area as well. Also, be sure to clean all the leaves and other debris out of your gutters too. After you remove all of the standing water, then the only way a mosquito can possibly get onto your property is if it flies there from an adjoining property. So, if you have a fairly small property, then why not offer to help your neighbors to remove their breeding areas as well? If you have no breeding areas and your neighbors have none either, then you will have no mosquitoes. Finally, to give this process a bit of a boost, click on that subscribe button and that little bell next to it. And don't forget to click the like button too. Okay, in the interest of full disclosure, clicking on the buttons will not help you with your mosquito problem. But it would mean an awful lot to me if you would do it. Now, after you remove the breeding areas, and you still want to do kind of like a quick knockdown of the existing mosquito population, then you can do it with a garden hose and a hose end sprayer. If that is something that would be of interest to you, then just click on the link above or click on the link that is in the description. This video will show you exactly how to treat your mosquitoes and all of your other yard pests as well. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. And please, do not hesitate to ask questions. I am always here to help.